students, in this lecture we will see the block diagram of function generator. What is meant by function generator? This function generator is nothing but one of the electrical equipment which generates different type of function like sine, triangular and square wave. And we will see this different type of waveform on the screen of CRO. What about the range of these signals? The signal range starts from 0.1 Hz to 1 MHz. As it is mentioned here on the front panel of the function generator, 1 MHz means this function generator generates different function like sine wave, triangular wave, square wave about the frequency range 1 MHz. Minimum range is 0.1, maximum about 1 MHz. These probes are given to connect the coaxial cable to apply the input from this function generator to the CRO. So here function is given. Now we can adjust the fine frequency with the help of this fine and coarse frequency knobs. And here DC and level fine is given here. By using this DC offset and level fine, we can adjust the voltage and we can see the voltage given on the front panel of this function generator. So let us see how can we observe the waveform. If we press this knob, we will see the sine wave. See here, symbol is given. Then next knob is for triangular waveform and last one is for square wave. So this is the basic laboratory purpose used function generator which generates sine wave, triangular wave and square wave. Now let us see how this function generator works internally. This is block diagram of function generator. You can see there are different types of block. This block is nothing but frequency control network to control the frequency of sine wave, triangular wave, square wave. This is constant current source supply, that is upper constant current source, and this is constant current supply source 2. Or we can say that lower constant current source. This is the one of the application of an operational amplifier is nothing but integrator. What is the function of this integrator? This integrator generates triangular wave at its output as the feedback capacitor is used here. Then next to that, output of the integrator is given to the voltage comparator multivibrator. This voltage comparator multivibrator converts triangular wave to the square wave and finally it is amplified at the output with the help of output amplifier 1. Then this block is resistance diode shaping circuit. What is the function of this resistor diode? Resistance diode shaping circuit. This resistance diode shaping circuit gives the shapes to the triangular waveform and convert it into the sinusoidal waveform, and we can see the sine wave at the output of the second amplifier at the output. Now let us start. For the generation, now this figure shows the basic element. This instrument delivers sine, triangular, square, this type of waveform. The typical frequency range may be 0.01 Hz to 100 kHz. This signal generator is provided with frequency control network. The frequency control voltage regulates these two constant current sources. So for the generation of triangular wave shape, an integrator circuit is used. that integrator circuit is nothing but one of the application of an operational amplifier called as integrator. The upper current source supplies a constant current and therefore the output voltage of the integrator is given by the equation output voltage is equal to, that is V0 is equal to minus 1 upon C integration I dt. As current I is constant, therefore V0 is equal to minus I upon C into T. Since current I is constant, thus the output voltage increases linearly with time. The voltage comparator multivibrator is used to change the state at a predetermined level on the positive slope of the integrator's output. Thus, this cuts off upper current supply and switches on the lower current supply. Since the direction of current supply from lower source is opposite to that of the upper current source, the output voltage decreases linearly with time till a change in a state at predetermined level is brought about by the voltage comparator multivibrator. The upper current source is switched on again. Hence we get a triangular wave shape. Since the slope of the curve is determined the magnitude of the current and therefore the frequency of the output voltage is also determined the magnitude of the current. This triangular waveform is obtained at the output of the integrator. As the alternating switch on of constant current source supply and constant current supply 2, we will get the triangular waveform. Next, this triangular waveform is converted into square and sine waveform. Let us see. A square waveform is obtained at the output of this voltage comparator multivibrator. And the output of the voltage comparator multivibrator is given to the output amplifier 1. So we will get the fine output, that is nothing but a square output at the output of the amplifier 1. In the similar way, this resistance diode wave shaping circuit converts this triangular wave from the integrator circuit to the fine sine wave, and finally this output we will get from the output amplifier 2. In this way, this function generator generates the different type of function like square, triangular and sine. Is that clear? Now all of you got it, the whole idea about each and every block, and main block in this circuit is the integrator circuit. Remember, MCQ is asked for board exam that dash dash circuit in the function generator block is used to generate the triangular waveform. So the answer is integrator circuit. And regarding theory exam, either for 3 or 4 marks may be asked in the board exam from this block diagram of function generator. So this is one of the important topic from chapter number 1. So all of you got it, the clear idea about the block diagram of function generator and its working. Understood all of you? So this is the block diagram of function generator. Thank you.